we continue with the class, make sure you don't sign for your friend. Is it okay? Yes. So, on last time we were talking about the safety and precautions. And we looked at some of the safety while you are carrying out some practice in the laboratory. So, we will continue on, as we know our unit is microbiology, so we will continue from there where we left. So, maybe a recap of what did you learn about last time about the safety? Anyone who can remember what you learned about the safety? Yes? Yes, Adelaide?
Use of PPEs while in the laboratory.
Yes, Francisca? We say that we should wear closed shoes while in the laboratory. Yeah, that is good of you. So today, we talk about sterilization. And our learning outcomes will be by the end of the lesson. So these are our learning outcomes. The first one is we'll define the sterilization. We'll identify restraint the sterilization methods. Then the third one we will talk about the autoclave sterilization process. To begin with, we can say, who can define for us what sterilization is? Anyone who has an idea what sterilization is? Yes?
Let me try that. It's freeing of an object from it's just freeing of an object.
From what? Maybe you can finish your statement. That's the trial, you can clap for him. Yes, Alvin?
I think sterilization is eliminating all life forms, or killing all life forms.
Yeah, that is good. Yes, from the two, we can define sterilization as the process of eliminating all forms of microbial life from maybe surfaces or from objects. That is what is called sterilization. And on methods of sterilization, in your groups, in groups of 3, I want you to discuss what you know about methods of sterilization. I'll be walking around as I see you discuss. So I think you have discussed, and one from the group member will tell us what you have learned, what you have discussed. So what are the methods? Yes, sir.
Okay. In our group, we have classified the sterilization in physical and chemical.
Yeah, that is correct. Physical.
In the physical,
Yes.
we see that you can have heat.
You can have
Heat.
heat.
Where you can autoclave either, you can autoclave, or you can incinerate.
Yes, another one under physical. Incineration. Another one under physical. Cynthia. Radiation. Clap for her. Appreciate others. Another one under physical. Gelding. Filtration. A good discussion. That is good of you. Another one maybe. Yes, that is correct. Then the next one. Elizabeth. Chemical. That is good. Under chemical, an example. Yes, Edwin.
Use of sodium hypochlorite.
Use of sodium hypochlorite. So we'll be looking at this, but for today, we only focus on moist heat, and we'll talk about an example for moist heat. Yes, Francie?
Using the autoclave.
Yeah, that is very correct, using an autoclave. So today we talk about the process of autoclaving.
Madam, I have a question.
Yes?
I don't know the difference between sterilization and disinfection.
Okay. Sterilization, I have said, is the eliminating of all forms. But in disinfection, it just removes some of the microbes, but it can't remove the spores and other extreme forms of life. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yeah, that is it. So on process of autoclaving, how many of us have an encounter with a pressure cooker? How many of us knows a pressure cooker? Yes. Do you know how it works?
Yes.
Who can explain? Anyone who knows how a pressure cooker works? How a pressure cooker works? Edwin?
I know it's only uses steam.
Yeah, it uses steam. So I will share some of the images of an autoclave. You can see as we continue with our class. A pressure cooker works by when you put food and, for example, maybe meat and water inside it. Water boils. When the water boils, it creates steam. That steam increases pressure, which raises the boiling point. When the boiling point is raised, it cooks food faster. And so today we are going to talk about the cousin of an autoclave, of a pressure cooker, which is the autoclave. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, so the process, I have sent, let me just check. I have sent a link on the process of autoclave in your group. We can have it, it's a 1 minute video. You can watch it and tell me the procedure. I have sent it in your group. So kindly just look at it. Yes, I want to see you. I can see some of you have found the video. So that is the video, and I have explained it using the pressure cooker, but for the autoclave it's just the same procedure. for 1 minute what you have learned today. Yes, anyone? Francisca?
We say the definition of sterilization.
Yes, you have learned what sterilization is. Another one? Elizabeth?
Learned methods of
You
sterilization.
have learned a method which is?
Physical and chemical.
Yeah, that is good. So on our assignment, explain the lab rules and regulations. You explain